Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we discuss the reduction formula for integration of dx divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n. Okay, so let us see how can we find the formula where n being a positive integer. Okay, so let us see. So for this, first we let in equals to dx divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n, and let us assume this is the equation number 1. So we can write in minus 1 as dx divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1, because if we write the in this form, then we can similarly write in minus 1 in this form. So here we take 1 as second function, okay, and integrating by parts. So what we have here is in minus 1 is equals to 1 by x square plus a square n minus 1, and then integration of 1, then minus we have integration of d by dx of the function 1 by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1, and then integration of dx and whole dx. So on integration we get x divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1, and then the raised function we have minus integration. Now on differentiation of this function we are having n minus 1 into 1 by x square plus a square to the power n, and then we have into 2x, fine, and again we are having here x and then dx and one negative sign. So this function is equals to x divided by x square plus a square n minus 1, then minus minus getting the plus sign, then integration of n minus 1, the here is 2x square divided by x square plus a square to the power n, and then we have dx. Now x divided by x square plus a square n minus 1 plus, here we take 2 n minus 1 the outside, so we can write this one as x square plus a square minus a square, fine, and divided by x square plus a square to the power n, and then we have dx in this way. X divided by x square plus a square n minus 1, then we have plus 2 times n minus 1 into 1 divided by x square plus a square to the power n minus 1 into dx. Why? Because here we have n, and then we have minus 2 times n minus 1 integration of a square is taken the outside, so dx divided by x square plus a square to the power n minus to the power n, sorry, here we have this one to the power n, and then dx. So this. Okay, so let us see how can we solve after this. So this implies in minus 1 is equals to, the first thing is x divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1, and then we have plus, first is 2 times n minus 1, and we can write the function, and here we can write the function this one, 1 divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1 dx as in minus 1. So here we write this thing as in minus 1, and then we have the next is minus 2 times n minus 1 a square, this function. So this function is equals to what? In. So minus 2 times n minus 1 a square in. Now this implies the in is taken to the left hand side, so we are leaving with the 1 plus 2 times n minus 1 a square, and then in minus 1, so we are taking this one on left hand side, so we are leaving with 1 plus 2 times n minus 1 in minus 1, and the right hand side is equals to x divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1, and then we have minus 2 times n minus 1 a square in minus in, this one. So here we have 2n minus 1, so taking this to the left hand side, we are getting here the minus sign. This is minus 2n minus 1. So now we take the in term in the left hand side, so we have 2 times n minus 1 a square in equals to, here we take this one as the right hand side, so what we get here is 1 minus 2n, so minus 2n again the plus 2n, and then we have minus plus 2, and then 1 3, so in the right hand side we are getting the minus 3, so 2n minus 3 in minus 1, and then we have plus x divided by x square plus a square n minus 1. Therefore in is given as x divided by x square plus a square n minus 1 into 2 times n minus 1, and then we have plus 2n minus 3 divided by 2 times n minus 1 a square, right? And here is in minus 1. So this is the reduction formula for integration over 1 by x square plus a square whole to the power n. But here the two cases arises, since here we are having the a square. Okay, so while substituting the value of a square, what we have, if we are putting the value of a square equal to 1, here we put the 1, here we put 1, then what happens? So let us see. So put a square equals to 1. I am not putting a equals to 1 or minus 1. We are putting a square equal to 1. So what we have here is in, that is integration over 0 to infinity dx divided by x square plus a square. So x square plus 1 whole to the power n is equals to. Now the first thing is what? We are getting 1. So x divided by x square plus 1 n minus 1 2 times n minus 1, and the limit is 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity. Fine. And then plus sign. Next is 2n minus 3 divided by 2 times n minus 1 a square. So a square is 1. So here we have the value 0 to infinity 1 by x square plus 1 whole to the power n minus 1, and then dx. Since we are putting the value of x square plus a square and minus 1, that's why we have put the value of a square equals to 1. So we are leaving with 1 by x square plus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 into dx, because here we have in minus 1. Fine. So by substituting the value, the first bracket we have is 0. Okay, and the second bracket we are leaving with 2n minus 3 divided by 2n minus 1 integration 0 to infinity dx divided by x square plus 1 whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, so that is the left hand value. We can write the in. So in is equals to 2n minus 3 divided by 2 times n minus 1 in minus 1. So this is the reduction formula for having a square equals to 1. Otherwise we have the reduction formula like this one. Thank you girls. If you have any problem or any doubt, then please comment in comment box. Thank you.